What's going on, guys? We're back with another video on the motorcycle, another edition on the MT-07 Yamaha. Today we're gonna go meet up my boy Frank. He's on vacation this week, so I'm gonna go meet him up. We're gonna have some breakfast and we're gonna do some errands. I don't know, we've been thinking about trying to go to a bakery, because we were talking about last time we want to go and have a Cuban sandwich. I don't remember the last time I had a Cuban sandwich, but from what I recall, they was delicious. So that's what we're gonna do today, this morning. Something quick, nothing fancy, because I gotta come back later and as you know, come back and cook for the kids. Let's see if it starts. Oh, she's up. I haven't started my bike. I believe it's been, I think, almost 3 weeks. Almost 3 weeks, guys, since I haven't started my bike. God damn. That's a long time. But here we are today on a Thursday morning. It's about 31 degrees today. It's chilly, guys, but this time I'm prepared. I got my thermal pants, I got 2 shirts, and I got this big jacket that was donated to me by Frank. So that's it. Just gotta let her warm up. Oh my gosh, she's dirty. She's been collecting nothing but dust. I don't think that's normal. I might have to just grease her up. That's not a good look at all. I'm just happy she was able to start up. I'm just happy she was able to start up at least. Like I said, guys, it's 31 degrees. It's not gonna get any hotter. Okay, guys, that's a negative. I'm turning back. I'm gonna have to call Frank and tell him we're not gonna meet. It is too cold. I can't feel my hands at all, guys. Oh my god. It is crazy cold out here. I need better gloves. I can't feel my fingers right now. Jesus Christ. That's terrible. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna make it, guys, but I'm not gonna make it at all. I am not gonna make it. I was gonna start recording once I got to the highway, but I didn't even make it to the highway, guys. Oh my god. I just went in a few, maybe like 10 blocks down, and I decided to turn back. It's too cold. My fingers, I can't feel my fingers. ¿Por qué? Sunshine, help me. I need more heat. Oh my god. Guys, I need better gloves. If I wanna ride in these weather conditions, I need better gloves for sure. I cannot ride like this. Oh hell no. I need better gloves. I need better gloves. I need better gloves than this. It is cold. Jesus Christ. Yeah, thinking I was gonna make it. Yeah, thinking I was a macho man. Hell no, I ain't no macho man. Not at this weather. And that's what I love the cold, guys. Believe me, I love this cold weather, but this is a different type of level of cold. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. you doing, guys? Fucking awful. Just standing in the middle of the fucking road. Woo! Yeah, guys, so sorry about that. I was gonna make a nice video of us going to have some Cuban sandwich, but that's not gonna happen. I'll save it for another day. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm cutting. Whoa. You know what's crazy? Frank told me, he was like, yo, you sure you want to ride this brother? And I was like, yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah, right. Once that wind starts hitting your fingers, oh my god, guys. It's crazy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Woo. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna head back home, make myself a sandwich, an egg sandwich, because plans has changed. Jesus Christ. Yo, don't we got the after stopping you may proceed on flashing only. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, let's go. What are you waiting for? Oh my god. Dangerous. This is so dangerous. This is so dangerous. Don't trust these people, guys. I'll go over there. Hello, buddy. Oh my god. Let's go home, guys, and get warmed up. Let's go home and just play more Call of Duty better. That sounds like a better idea. Play some Call of Duty. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Oh yeah. Wow. Man, I was already ready for those Cuban sandwich, man. I wanted to eat those Cuban sandwich. I haven't had that for a while. Oh well, save it for next time. If I've been without it for a minute, I could go for another minute without it. Oh my god, I can't feel my fingers, guys. Look, man, I want to use gloves. I need better gloves. Oh my god. Oh. It's so good out here. And you see how sunny it is, guys. It's sunny, but nah, no way. We ain't getting no heat from that sun right now. It's too cold. Almighty sunshine. Not even the almighty sunshine can warm me up right now. Oh. Oh my god, my fingers, guys. I can't feel my fingers. Jesus Christ. My poor fingers. Whoa. Oh my god, what the hell I was thinking? What the hell I was thinking? What was I thinking that I was a macho man? I wanna be a macho man. We're back home, guys. We made it. Oh my god. We made it. Let me get off this. Let me text my boy right now. It's a negative on that. It's a negative. Not making it.